Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Prince Edward local and long distance movers near me. Do you need to find and hire a cheap Prince Edward moving company? 3 Movers is not only an affordable option, but also a trustworthy team for your local or long distance move. We provide everything you need to help with your next move. Our team has helped families, businesses, students, and military members relocate. There are plenty of long-distance moving options when you work with our professionals, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to relocate to a new city or province, you need the right movers to help. Our team of long-distance movers will help you get to your new location faster and easier. We know how to take the stress out of your move. Are you trying to find the Canada Moving Company for you? Do you want to hire local movers to ensure you don't have to do all the heavy lifting? With the right moving options, you can move quickly and easily. 3 Movers will provide you with plenty of help when you are handling a local move. Our team offers the streamlined services you need. We know how to move you fast and easy, no matter how far you're going. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prince Edward moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.